All right, I'm standing in the Grove. This is 72 home sites. Look at this. This is what happens when Tennessee down here gets a freeze. Everything freezes about 2 inches and then it thaws out and it's a muddy mess. But you probably can't see, but over in the sunshine over there, we've got Tracos putting everything in. I just wanted to give an update on the Grove of 72 home sites on the Grove. This right here is our secondary power system right here. So this is where the meter center will be right here. And you can see a straight line. Tom, if you could walk right down there and shoot that camera straight through there, and you can see all these pipes are in an exact straight line. 72 of these are right here. Next thing we'll do is we'll have this inspected probably tomorrow or Friday, backfill all this, and then we put our water lines in and we're done with utilities. Is that not just amazing? We're all done. Then we start putting roads. All the gravel has been delivered. We pay $500 plus a load, and we have had tractor trailer coming in here constantly throughout the day bringing gravel. So what we do is we stockpile the gravel and then we pick it up and we put it where we need it, because we're going to be putting this geotech fiber down when we remove the soil. Geotech fiber and gravel. We're on this. Still can't give you a timeline. You just got to bear with me. We go week to week. Man, it's Mother Nature. It's the mud. If you push it too fast, what happens is it'll never settle and never pack. You'll always have problems with your roads and your ditches. We need to backfill this. You got to tamp it in and compress it. Let's walk down here a little bit more. I'll show you kind of what's been going on. And this is what, so guys working this all day, all right?
Those boots are about 20 pounds.
Yeah, and all day. So they got boots, and I've just walked out here for 2 seconds, and you can see what I'm carrying. So all this dirt will be back to where it was beautiful and smooth. There's going to be houses and grass and lawn. We got here, they're honking. We got all kinds of stuff going. Think about 72 home sites. I don't know, what's this been? 90 to 120 days?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
90 to 120.
The good thing is nothing's holding us up except for the rain.
And that's it. I mean, the guys are after it. I'm going to get over here a little bit more and just show you. I would get down in that ditch. I'd probably never get back out. And this ditch is over 30 inches. Well, it's really, the secondary has to be about 30 inches. But we go about 36, we'll bury that. But below that is your primary sewer line, right? With your manholes. Remember, that's all in. Remember before we had that? Now the big orange or green, I say orange, green stick sticking up, that's your sewer. And you got your power, and then we'll do our water. And we're in, everybody. So the guys have been putting in, we got Tim Bruce, one guy that works here. He has been amazing. He is just nothing but articulate about how he puts in his pipes. Next thing is water line. And water line, we just give it to Tim. Tim is so particular about cleaning and putting the mud. He doesn't take a shortcut. I don't think we've had maybe one leak.
For settling, we had a little settling.
Yeah, just for settling, and it snapped the pipe. Not one of his joints has leaked, and we've got, what, almost 160 home sites.
Yeah.
And it's been
never
spot on.
Pressure test. Never.
Yeah. Spot on. All right, so this is the Grove, 72 lots here at 850 Industrial Road, Newport, Tennessee. If you bought a home and leased a lot here in the Grove, we are still looking. It's not at the end of the year yet, so we are still looking to getting everybody on here by the end of this January. And I would take you inside right now. That's maybe another video of showing you the 10 by 20s. We started building the 12 by 20s. Those are going. It is a lot going on. This is Update Report, giving you standing by. This is Randy Jones with ITH News, right? It's an update. So thank you guys for tuning in. We'll give you another update here in a couple days. Hopefully this will be spread out, backfilled, and putting water lines in. Thanks for watching.